Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox YouTube channel. First, pinpoint your unique niche within the vast Roblox universe. Are you focusing on game reviews, building tutorials, or perhaps role-playing? Understanding your target audience, whether they are younger players or more experienced builders, is crucial. Researching popular Roblox games and current trends will help you create content that resonates and attracts viewers from day one. Next, let's talk about the essential gear. A good quality microphone is paramount for clear audio, making your videos much more engaging. Consider options like a USB condenser mic, which offers excellent sound for around $50 to $100. For screen recording, software like OBS Studio is a free and powerful choice. Finally, select user-friendly video editing software such as DaVinci Resolve, which is also free, or a paid option like Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, let's dive into crafting engaging content. Planning your videos with a clear script or outline ensures a smooth recording process and a cohesive narrative. Record your Roblox gameplay in high definition, aiming for at least 1080 pixels resolution to provide a visually appealing experience. Crucially, optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords to improve searchability and reach a wider audience on YouTube. Finally, growing your audience is key. Share your new videos across various social media platforms like Twitter, TikTok, and Discord to reach potential viewers. Actively engage with your audience by responding to comments and considering live streams to build a strong community. Collaborating with other Roblox YouTubers can also introduce your channel to new audiences, helping you expand your reach significantly and foster a supportive network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.